king and the physician. Long, long ago in Persia, there was a Greek king who suffered from a strange illness that seemed incurable. All the physicians in the court and the kingdom had been summoned and each remedy had been tried. But nothing seemed to help the sick king. A new learned physician arrived at the court to cure the king. He hollowed out the handle of a polo club and put his medicine made of herbs inside and wrapped it. He took it to the king and told him to play polo every morning. Then he must return and rest. Surprisingly, the Greek king was cured as the medicine seeped through the handle and his hands into him. When the king rewarded him richly, the jealous vizier spoke ill of the physician, poisoning the king's mind and turning him against the physician. He said the physician was trying to kill him and take his kingdom. The ungrateful king. The angry king, forgetting that the physician had cured him, ordered that the treacherous physician should be beheaded. The poor physician was executed, but before that he was asked to state his last wish. He said, "Sir, place my head on this book, which contains all the magical remedies I make. You must read the book yourself, for only then the remedies will be revealed." The king agreed, and the physician's head was placed on the book before the king began reading it. He would turn each page, lick his finger, and then turn the next page and the next. The physician had poisoned each page, and when the king licked his finger to turn the pages, he swallowed the poison. By the time the king reached the last page, he was dizzy and weak. As he finished reading, he died. The physician had punished the ungrateful king. The faithful parrot. There was a poor man who loved his beautiful wife very much. Since he went to work every morning, he bought a talking parrot to keep her company. He also told the parrot to tell him all that happened during the day. One day, the parrot told him his wife had been lazy and dishonest, and the man scolded her. The woman decided to teach the parrot a lesson. She told her servants to grind the hand mill loudly, sprinkle water on the parrot's cage, and to flash a mirror in front of the cage. That evening, the man returned and asked the parrot what had happened during the day. It said, "I could see and hear nothing because of the rain, thunder, and lightning. There had been no rain that day." The man thought that the parrot was lying. In anger, he killed the parrot while his wife was happy to be free of it. The Wazir punished. The king loved his son dearly, and when the son wished to go hunting, the king sent his Wazir with him to watch over him. Once, the prince galloped through the forest, leaving the Wazir and the attendants behind. The prince suddenly found himself alone, and there was no sign of the Wazir. He saw a beautiful lady, looked like a princess, sitting by a path looking miserable. She said she had fallen off her horse and it had bolted. The prince put her on his horse and took her to her home. To his surprise, she stopped at a ruined palace. As he waited, he heard her speak, saying, "Children, I have brought a fat young man for you to eat." Horrified, he realized the danger, for she was really an ogress. He leapt onto his horse and raced all the way back home. For having lost the prince, the poor Wazir was punished.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.